big rig, you know that more time on the road means more money in your pocket. Shell Rotella, with advanced synthetic technology, is designed to help keep your rig running. Less time in shop and more time on the road. It also means you'll get more chances to see North America's finest roadside attractions. Cows, cornfields, Calhoun cornfields. It's lovely this time of year. Shell Rotella's advanced synthetic technology also offers extended grain intervals, helping your rig go farther between oil fields. So you'll make less pit stops. Well, unless you need to restock on gas, we really can't help you with that. But if you're looking to up your big rig engine, look longer, look no further. Superior protection, less maintenance. That's what you can expect from the #1 heavy-duty engine oil in North America. Shell Rotella for the long haul. Explore the full lineup of Shell Rotella products at rotella.com/long-haul.
At Progressive Commercial, we know a trucker's time is money. And, well, there's a lot that can impact your time on the road. Like that temporary road construction that's been going on permanently. Every time those orange cones appear, the redder you turn.